So this question asks, the author of passage 1 indicates that space mining could have which positive effect? Well, first we need to notice that this question is linked with the next one, 44. So what we can do is use the line numbers that they give us in 44 to see where the answer might lie. So we're going to look through these lines and look which one says something positive about space mining. So let's start with line 18 to 22. That says, within a few decades, these firms may be meeting earthly demands for precious metals, such as platinum and gold, and the rare earth metals vital for personal electronics, such as yttrium and lanthanum. So, yeah, I think that's something positive, right? Because we're going to get these rare earth elements that are very important for our electronics. So I think that works. Let's keep that. Let's look at B, lines 24 to 28. Says, they also hope to build an off-planet economy free of any bonds with Earth, in which the materials extracted and processed from the moon and asteroids are delivered for space-based projects. Now that's not bad. As a positive effect, is an economy free of any bonds with Earth, is that a good thing or a bad thing? Could be good. I'm not really sure. Right now, A seems a little bit better, but we can keep that for now. Let's look at C, lines 29 to 30. Says, in this scenario, water mined from other worlds could become the most desired commodity. Now, this isn't a positive effect of space mining, right? Water becoming like really desired that's not really a positive effect. So we can get rid of C. And then D, lines 41 to 44, says companies are eyeing the iron, silicon, and aluminum in lunar soil and asteroids, which could be used in 3D printers to make spare parts or machinery. Again, this could be a positive effect. So right now, I think I'm going to get rid of B, and I'm really between A and D. So the one that says we might be getting rare earth elements vital for personal electronics, or we might be getting iron, silicon, and aluminum that could be used in 3D printers. Now, let's see which one that might match in 43. A says it could yield materials important to Earth's economy. Well, that seems to fit with the one that says rare earth elements vital for personal electronics. It doesn't really fit with the second one because 3D printers are not important to the Earth's economy, so they're not vital elements. So right now A and A could work. Let's see. B in 43 says it could raise the value of some precious metals on Earth. That doesn't fit either. It doesn't talk, the two that I picked in 44, so A and D, don't talk about the value. It's just saying that we could get these elements that we need on Earth. So B is out. C says it could create unanticipated technological innovations. Again, it does talk about technology like 3D printers and personal electronics, but I don't like the part that says unanticipated because that means things that we didn't expect. And the fact that they're listing things that already exist or 3D printers that we already know, those aren't technological innovations that are unanticipated. So I would get rid of C too. And then D, it could change scientists' understanding of space resources. Again, it's just saying we would get these elements that are useful on Earth. It doesn't say anything about changing scientists' understanding. So yeah, I think A, it could yield materials important to Earth's economy, is good. And out of A and D in question 44, I think lines 18 to 22 are better just because it says it's talking about rare earth elements that are vital for personal electronics that we have right now and not really 3D printers, which aren't as important. So in 43, A, and in 44, also A.